Hey guys, it's me, Carolyn, with Duran Home Styling and Staging, and today I'm going to just show you how to make your typical bed upscale. So the bed's already made like people generally make it. They'll pull up their comforter, they'll slap their pillows up there, but I'm going to show you how you can make it look great with just a few pillows. So just start by putting all of your pillows in line, just like that. So we're going to make the pillows be like a secondary headboard, okay? So just stick that right in there. Just kind of press them up against there. Okay. All right, let's see what that looks like. All right. Okay, just kind of press them up, and then I have some more decorative pillows here that we're going to add right in front of those. So, one there, and one there. Okay. And then the final touch, this little pillow here, and then I have something that I like to do. I like to just add a little decorative flair here. So I have a nice tray, a book, and a candle. So that is how you can upscale your bed. Have a great day. Follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram, Duran Home Styling and Staging. Thank you.